how to create linked records fields in Airtable. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'll teach you how you can create linked records table, linked records field in Airtable. Creating linked records fields in Airtable is a way to connect related records across different tables, and here is a way to do it. The first step is to open your Airtable database if you want to use an Airtable database, or you can just create an Airtable database from scratch. So for me, I'll be creating a new one from scratch. So after creating a new one from scratch, I have brought to the page where it has been displayed. You can just wait patiently for this to load. All right. So once the page has loaded, you can see your field, and then by the left side of the screen, you can also see different views, right? So at this stage, for you to be able to create linked record field, the next step is to go ahead and add a new field by clicking on the plus icon here at the top part of the screen. And then once you click on the plus icon, you'll be asked to input a field name, and then you could just name it status 2, and then you have to find the field type. In this field type, ensure you click on link to another table. So once you click on link to another table, you'll be asked to select table. So if you have multiple tables, you can just go ahead and link it to other tables. For example, let's say you click on the, let's add another table first of all. So we add table, start from scratch. So you save the table. So you add the table. So you created another table again, start from scratch, save exactly. So by the time you go back to table one, so now that you've added different tables, you can now go back, click on the plus icon, and the add field, just type out status, and then find a field type, then click on link to another record, and then you can just select the table that you want to link it to. For example, you can just select table 2, okay, or you can just type it out, table 2, and then select it. Then once you're done selecting it, you can now select a condition. All right, you can decide to select allow linking to multiple records, or limit record to selected view, or filter record selection by a condition, whichever one selected, and then click on create field. So after clicking on create field, you can see you can now go ahead and add link and add lookup fields that will also enable the linking process. And then if you want to, you can just select any of this, and then you can click on add field, or you can click on skip, whichever one. Just ensure that you select one, and then just like that, the records would be linked between the fields. So this is basically how you can go about the entire process. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.